You can edit your budgets in Excel, but then you have to save the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Before importing budgets, you need to delete the old budget grid data. Go to Budget Grids and select a list view, and click on Process Grids. Make sure you're in the right company. Choose the financial year and go to the Delete Grid tab. You have to confirm deletion, and then you can click the Delete Grid Data button. This deletes all the grid data for the chosen company and financial year, including forecast, actual and previous data. However, there is a way to import the budgets without losing this data. Then from Sage Financials, go into Setup. In the Quick Find, key Data Import and choose Data Import Wizard. Click Launch Wizard. Click on Custom Objects and choose Budget Grids. Choose Add New Records and fill in the following details. Click CSV and locate the file you want to import. You have to choose all files to see CSV. Click Next to see the mappings. The last three fields don't need to be mapped. Click Next and start the import. This shows the import has been successful. Now if we look at the grid, we can see those edits I did have been imported.